The pack of the battery, which pertains to processing a single cell, generally involves assembling the battery cells, the protection circuit module, and the output terminals into a functional battery pack that can be used normally. Battery cells are typically combined into different single battery, parallel, or series battery packs according to demand. Lithium battery packs generally require the cells to be consistent. Therefore, after the capacity is divided during the capacity splitting process, it is also necessary to test and match the cells based on their self-discharge rate and open circuit voltage. Two preparations must be completed before the battery cell and the protection board are welded. Trim the pole ears of the tested battery cell to the appropriate length, ensuring they are suitable for welding. Weld the output ports onto the protection board in advance to ensure the smooth progress of subsequent assembly. Afterward, the battery cell and protective plate can be welded. Common welding methods include resistance welding, laser welding, and soldering. Once welded, use tape to insulate and fix the protective board. These steps form the basic assembly of the battery. We can also perform various customized processing according to customer needs. After the lithium battery cells are assembled, use a comprehensive tester to perform the tests and back up the test data. Batteries that pass the test will be packed into boxes. Only after the Quality Inspection Department approves the sampling inspection will a shipment inspection report be issued. Then, the high-quality batteries can be shipped and safely delivered to customers through various logistics channels.